Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to buy Bitcoin on your Binance application. For that, make sure you have the application and you're logged into your account. Now you will be led to this kind of page. Now all you need to do is tap on trade option at the bottom. And there you can see two options, buy or deposit. You need to tap on buy crypto with USD. Now here at the search bar, you need to simply search for BTC or Bitcoin. After that, you can tap on that option. Now this kind of page will appear. Here you need to enter the amount that you want to pay in order to buy your Bitcoin. After you enter the amount, at the downside you can see estimated quantity. That is the amount you will be receiving as in BTC or Bitcoin. Now if your account is verified, you will be seeing paying option at the downside. You can tap on it and continue to pay. But currently my identity isn't verified, so I cannot see this option. But if your identity is verified, you can simply tap on that option and you will be able to buy Bitcoin on your Binance application. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.